Hey everyone, it's Brian, your honest mechanic. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that often confuses car owners: tire rotation versus wheel alignment. If you've ever wondered what the difference is and when you need each service, you're in the right place. Make sure to like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point car maintenance advice. First things first, let's define each term. Tire rotation involves periodically changing the position of your vehicle's tires to promote even tire wear. On the other hand, wheel alignment is the process of adjusting the angles of your wheels so that they are vertical to the ground and parallel to each other. Proper alignment ensures that your car stays straight while driving and prevents uneven tire wear. Now you might be thinking, Brian, why do I need to rotate my tires? Can't I just let them wear out and replace them? Well, here's the thing. Front and rear tires wear differently. Your front tires bear the weight of the engine and do most of the work when turning, while your rear tires follow along. This means your front tires will typically wear faster than your rear ones. By rotating them regularly, you distribute that wear evenly, helping them last longer. It's like changing positions on the couch to avoid wearing out one spot too quickly. So how often should you rotate your tires? A good rule of thumb is every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, or about every 6 months. However, your owner's manual might have specific recommendations based on your vehicle, so always double check. And here's a pro tip. Many tire shops and dealerships offer free tire rotations with oil changes. So take advantage of that. Alright, let's move on to wheel alignment. Picture your car as a shopping cart. If the wheels are misaligned, it's going to veer to one side or the other, making it harder to control. The same thing happens with your vehicle. Misaligned wheels can cause your car to pull to the left or right, and your steering wheel might be crooked even when you're driving straight. That's a clear sign it's time for an alignment. Other symptoms of misalignment include rapid or uneven tire wear and a steering wheel that vibrates or shakes. These issues can be caused by hitting a curb or pothole, worn suspension components, or just regular wear and tear over time. Now, you don't need an alignment as often as a tire rotation. In general, it's a good idea to have your alignment checked every 2 to 3 years, or if you notice any of the symptoms I mentioned. However, there are a few other times when you should definitely get an alignment. After installing new tires, after a collision or hitting a major road hazard, after lowering or lifting your vehicle, after replacing suspension components. Keep in mind that alignments require specialized equipment, so you'll need to visit a shop with trained technicians. It's not something you can easily do at home, unlike tire rotations. So, to sum it up, tire rotations and wheel alignments are both essential for maintaining your vehicle's tires and overall performance, but they serve different purposes. Rotations help distribute wear evenly across your tires, while alignments keep your wheels at the proper angles for optimal handling and tire life.